Hey everyone, it's your name from Vehicle Every Time, and today we're diving into the highly anticipated 2024 Toyota RAV4. This compact SUV has been a crowd favorite for years, and the 2024 model is no exception. Toyota really stepped up their game this year, packing in a ton of impressive features and refinements. In this video, we're taking a deep dive into the 6 best features of the 2024 RAV4 that make it stand out from the competition. We'll explore everything from its advanced safety tech and impressive fuel efficiency to its surprisingly spacious interior and sleek exterior design. Whether you're a longtime RAV4 enthusiast or just starting your car search, this video will give you valuable insights into what makes this SUV a top contender in its class. So, buckle up and let's get started. Safety is paramount when choosing a new car, and the 2024 RAV4 doesn't disappoint. Toyota has equipped this SUV with a comprehensive suite of advanced safety features. The standout Toyota Safety Sense system comes standard on all models. It includes a pre-collision system with pedestrian detection, lane departure alert, and adaptive cruise control. Plus, the blind spot monitor with rear cross-traffic alert provides extra peace of mind. The available all-wheel drive system enhances traction and stability on slippery surfaces. The 2024 RAV4's safety features are truly impressive, keeping you and your loved ones safe on the road. In today's world, fuel efficiency is a major consideration for car buyers, and the 2024 RAV4 excels in this department. Toyota offers both gasoline and hybrid models, delivering impressive fuel economy for their class. Expect up to 27 miles per gallon city, 35 miles per gallon highway, and 30 miles per gallon combined. The RAV4 Hybrid offers even greater efficiency, with up to 41 miles per gallon city, 38 miles per gallon highway, and 40 miles per gallon combined. The hybrid system seamlessly switches between gasoline and electric power. The 2024 RAV4 offers impressive fuel efficiency, saving you money and reducing your carbon footprint. The 2024 RAV4 may be a compact SUV, but don't let that fool you. Its interior is surprisingly spacious and comfortable, offering ample room for both passengers and cargo. As you step inside the cabin, you'll immediately notice the high-quality materials and thoughtful design. Toyota has done an excellent job of creating a premium feel without the premium price tag. The seats are supportive and comfortable, even on long drives, and there's plenty of headroom and legroom for both front and rear passengers. The RAV4's cargo space is equally impressive, offering 37.6 cubic feet of space behind the rear seats, and if you need to haul larger items, the rear seats can be folded down to create a cavernous 69.8 cubic feet of cargo volume. Whether you're hauling groceries, luggage, or sporting equipment, the RAV4 can handle it all. Other notable interior features include a standard 7-inch touchscreen infotainment system with an available 9-inch upgrade, Apple CarPlay and Android Auto compatibility, and a variety of storage compartments for your belongings. Overall, the 2024 RAV4's interior is a pleasant surprise, offering a spacious, comfortable, and well-appointed cabin that's perfect for daily driving and weekend adventures. In today's connected world, having a modern and intuitive infotainment system is essential, and the 2024 RAV4 delivers on that front. Toyota has equipped this SUV with its latest Entune 3.0 infotainment system, which is both user-friendly and feature-rich. The standard 7-inch touchscreen display is crisp and responsive, providing easy access to all of the system's functions. And if you're looking for an even more immersive experience, you can opt for the available 9-inch touchscreen, which is one of the largest in its class. One of the best things about the RAV4's infotainment system is its smartphone integration. With standard Apple CarPlay and Android Auto compatibility, you can seamlessly connect your smartphone to the car's display and access your favorite apps, music, navigation, and more. The RAV4 also comes standard with a 6-speaker audio system, which provides decent sound quality. However, if you're an audiophile, you might want to consider upgrading to the available JBL Premium audio system, which features 11 speakers and a subwoofer for an immersive listening experience. Other notable tech features include a Wi-Fi hotspot, Amazon Alexa compatibility, and a wireless charging pad for your smartphone. Overall, the 2024 RAV4's infotainment system is intuitive, feature-rich, and keeps you connected on the go. The 2024 RAV4's exterior design is a major departure from its predecessors, featuring a bolder, more aggressive look that's sure to turn heads. Toyota has done an excellent job of modernizing the RAV4's styling while still maintaining its familiar and practical silhouette. The front end is dominated by a large, hexagonal grille that's flanked by sharp-looking LED headlights. The hood is more sculpted than before, giving the RAV4 a more muscular appearance. And the side profile is characterized by sharp character lines and a sloping roofline that gives it a sporty feel. The rear end is equally stylish with sleek LED taillights and a roof spoiler that adds a touch of sportiness. And depending on the trim level you choose, you can get the RAV4 with a variety of wheel designs, ranging from 17 to 19 inches in size. The 2024 RAV4 is available in a wide range of colors, so you can find one that suits your personal style. Some of the standout colors include Blueprint, Lunar Rock, and Magnetic Gray Metallic. Overall, the 2024 RAV4's exterior design is both stylish and functional, offering a modern and eye-catching look that's sure to impress. While the 2024 RAV4 is primarily designed for on-road driving, it's also surprisingly capable when the pavement ends. Toyota offers an available all-wheel drive system that provides enhanced traction and stability on slippery surfaces, making it a great choice for those who live in areas with inclement weather or who enjoy venturing off the beaten path. The RAV4's all-wheel drive system can send up to 50% of the engine's power to the rear wheels when needed, providing extra grip on loose or uneven terrain. And for even more off-road capability, you can opt for the TRD off-road trim level, which adds a more advanced all-wheel drive system with torque vectoring technology, hill descent control, and a multi-terrain select system. The RAV4's ground clearance is also respectable for a compact SUV, measuring in at 8.4 inches. This gives you plenty of clearance for navigating over obstacles and rough terrain. Under the hood, the 2024 RAV4 comes standard with a 2.5-liter four-cylinder engine that produces 203 horsepower and 184 lb-ft of torque. This engine is paired with an 8-speed automatic transmission that provides smooth and responsive shifting. Overall, while it's not a dedicated off-roader, the 2024 RAV4 offers surprising capability when the going gets tough, making it a great all-around SUV for both on-road and off-road adventures. So there you have it, folks. Those are 6 of the best features of the 2024 Toyota RAV4. From its advanced safety features and impressive fuel efficiency, to its spacious and comfortable interior and sleek exterior design, the RAV4 truly excels in all the right areas. Whether you're a daily commuter, a weekend adventurer, or someone who simply appreciates a well-rounded and reliable vehicle, the 2024 RAV4 is definitely worth considering. It's no wonder this compact SUV continues to be a top seller in its segment. If you enjoyed this video and found it helpful, be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more automotive content just like this. And don't forget to hit that notification bell so you don't miss out on any of our upcoming videos.